Welcome to Jagran Public School, Noida. Welcome to Jagran Public School, Noida. Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I am your teacher, Mrs. Monica Pansari, and I welcome you all to your computer class. So, children, in our today's video, we will be starting with chapter number 9, and that is arranging slides using views in Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. So, children, in our previous chapter, in chapter number 8, we studied how do we make slides, how do we make a presentation, how we change fonts, how do we change the size of the text. In this video, we will be learning about the PowerPoint views, the different views according to which you can see the presentation. There are 6 types of PowerPoint views. They are normal view, slide sorter view, reading view, slide show view, notes page view, and outline view. 6 views: normal view, slide sorter view, reading view, slide show view, notes page view, and outline. So, children, if you can see in the picture, the view tab is available on the ribbon after the review tab, and in the below picture it is view buttons of the status bar, which is on the right hand side below. If you have PowerPoint, you can see that. So, children, our first view is normal view. In normal view, you can create and design slides by adding text, pictures, charts, and tables. You can rearrange, add, or delete slides from the presentation. You can add notes. Basically, when you open the PowerPoint and you are making a presentation, the view which is visible to you, it is known as a normal view. In this view, you can arrange the slides, you can delete the slides, you can add text, delete text, you can add fonts. Whatever you want to do, you can do in this normal view presentation. Our second view is slide sorter view. The slide sorter view displays thumbnails of all the slides in your presentation. If you can see in the picture, in the slide sorter view, all the pictures are available in one line. In this slide sorter view, you can change the order of the slides by clicking and dragging a slide. You provide an overall view of different slides in a presentation. You can insert or delete slides. You can see the presentation in a whole. You don't have to scroll it up or down. You can arrange the slides by dragging it up or down. So all this can be done in the slide view sorter reading view. Look at the picture. The reading view can be used when you want to view the slides as a slideshow, not in full screen mode but within a window. If you remember, in the slideshow view, the whole screen is black and the slide is going on. In this, you will see the white background outside and some initials will be there. No full screen mode will be on. In this view, controls appear on the status bar that can be used to play the slideshow on your own computer when you are not showing it to the other person. You can move between previous and next slides using controls on the status bar. The controls on this window allow you to switch to the other views. इसी में in this only you can even switch to the other views, the controls which are present on the status bar on the extreme right. Our next is slideshow view. You all are very well aware of the slideshow view. You will click on the slideshow view. There are many buttons present on the slideshow view, from beginning button, from current slide, custom slideshow, setup slideshow, hide slide. There are so many options available on the slideshow view. A slideshow is the sequential display of slides in the full screen mode. When you are done with your presentation and you want to show it to some other person, you can play the slideshow view from ring ring button and you can show your presentation. If you want to show any one slide, a particular slide, you can show it from current slide. In both the ways, the slideshow button will be moving and the full screen mode will be visible to you. So start slideshow group from beginning, from current slide. From beginning means from first slide to the last slide, and if you want to see any particular slide, you can click on that slide and you can press on the from current slide button and the slideshow full screen mode will be visible to you. Our next is notes page view. The notes page view is available only from the view tab. This view can be used to view the notes added by you, add notes for the slide, print the slides to be given to the audience for their reference, as it displays an image of a slide along with the notes related to that slide. So children, in the notes page view, first of all, this view is only available on the view tab. Secondly, you can add different notes on your slide by pressing on notes page view. Supposedly, if you are presenting your screen to someone, you are showing your presentation to someone, and your elder or your boss says that on this slide you have to give me some notes, so you can use the notes page view. You can write down the notes over there, you can print it out and give it to the other people so that they are familiar with the topic which you are showing it to your sir, boss, office, ma'am, whatever. Okay, so in the notes page view, you can give the notes on your slide. Okay children, our last slide is outline view. Our last view is outline view. The outline view is available from the view tab. This view can be used to view the text of the slides in outline form, move text from one slide to another easily. Outline view में in outline view, you can view the text of the slide in the outline form and you can move from one slide to the another. So children, I hope you will practice and see all the view tabs in your computer. Try to figure out, make a presentation, any presentation of your choice, and try to figure out the different views. Kindly note down your queries and ask me in the class. Okay? And please practice daily. Okay? Thank you so much children for listening to me, for seeing the video. I hope you will practice the PPT and the view tabs daily so that the presentation PPTs are very much clear to you. I hope you will practice it daily. Thank you so much for listening to me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.